Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix iPhone Apple Maps not working. Go to settings, scroll down and tap on privacy and security, tap on location services, ensure that location services is turned on, find Apple Maps in the list, tap on Apple Maps. If never is selected, change it to while using the app. Now close Apple Maps, turn on flight mode, turn off Wi-Fi, wait for few seconds and turn off flight mode. Try to open Apple Maps again. After that, go to settings, tap on general, scroll down and find transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, select reset all settings, scroll down and find general, tap on software update, and if any software update is available, download and install it. Restart your iPhone, it should fix your problem. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.